Show me something. Show me something. All right, baby.
He loved. I can't say.
I gotta make sure I get my perfect form, my perfect reps. Come on.
What's really gonna tell about us as a team is what's done in the dark.
J Mac from Syracuse, New York, man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Away from Texas. Yes, sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your own game.
Oh! Oh! So basically telling you to stop playing and be quiet.
Ask him.
You better know what you. Don't touch me.
Terry,
'cause I know how
where
you
come
get. I know how you get.
Where it come from?
Like El Salvador or something.
That's crazy.
Oh, just stay. Hey, whoa.
Cut that.
Ain't that where you from, bro? Huh? You from like El Salvador, right?
I was born in Honduras. I was born in Honduras, but I grew up in Mexico and Brazil.
Oh, snap.
What does O stand for in Owens? What is W?
Waterbury.
Why you look at
I know what the C in cash is for cholesterol.
A right here like this. A, you have to shovel. Yo, go ahead. There you go.
Come on, Fashion, let's go. Oh, yeah.
Getting swole over here? What they doing over here, man? Always? Show me something. All right, baby.
Always.
Yeah, we eat iron.
Always.
We eat iron.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, Hawkins. We eat iron.
Actually got pretty good.
You just gotta wait till I get a pump. When I get a pump,
You look vicious.
I look dangerous.
Okay.
Come on, Sid. Come on, Sid. Come on, Sid. You're halfway there, Sid. One more. Good shit. Get up. That's it. Shortcuts what it sounds like.
He loved. I can't say.
Be the better person, bro. Always.
Bring these back just a tad. Oh, that's for me? Yeah, it's right there. Keep that position. I got you on the spot. There we go. Work.
Let's go. Don't drop that. That ain't part of the exercise. Let's go. Yeah. If it's too heavy, lighten it up. But we getting all 8 right now. Let's go. That's it. Good. That's what I'm talking about.
You're after Corday. You didn't go. I did go.
Oh, hell no.
It's up, bro.
Go.
I'm putting another 10 on because I ain't no. If you ain't no, put a 25 on. I dare you to. I got these 2 10s. Nah, put a 25 on. You know. Good. Zoom in on this. Stop it. That look like Donovan Mitchell. Ugly dude.
Back on looking.
You nigga like Dame. He taking weights off of you.
I gotta make sure I get my perfect form, my perfect reps. Come on.
Donovan Mitchell. Make sure you go on YouTube, Donovan.
I got you, Doc.
Man, you gotta wait, restart. Bend over a little bit more. It's a bent over roll.
No, let's go. All on the YouTube.
You say 3 seconds? 5 seconds. Here you go. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. That's 1 second.
That's 3.
That's 1.
1, 2, 3.
You gotta get it in tight. It's 2 on the way down, too. Man, hell no. What that's 2 now?
No.
Talking all that.
What you mean by mids, coach? No, right? It's the likeness. No good light.
doing that because they're not that big.
Coach got the loan for you, though.
I got
I thought you liked me, coach.
See, there's more space though instead of just coming where I can barely get away from you.
So he's gonna try to exaggerate that.
Yeah, basically, yeah, just exaggerate it.
All in on me, all in on 3. 1, 2, 3.
All in. Who are you away from here? New people come around. Like, you got to be you, and that's what I'm be honest with you. I sat up here and told y'all this before. Make sure you do all the right things so you can be who you want to be, so you ain't got to like change when people come around. I said that before. You don't understand. That is called being who you are and trusting in yourself and being confident about your abilities. I'm going to tell you this. If you have to turn it on or run harder or do something a little bit more, that means you've been slacking, boss. You don't work hard. Tell yourself you don't work hard. And I got to get better. If that's happening, like if I say, man, you got to work harder. Cole, okay, Cole, I'm getting pumped right now. Is it a joke? Like, cause he's the same guy. Guess what? He do the same when nobody around, everybody here. Whoa, what is that? He do that same, right? So new people come. Guess what? Guess what he doing? Am I thinking he's putting on the hits or acting different? No. So nobody can say, man, he just being fake. You know, the coach is around. Now he want to act like that. He do that all the time. Is he not crazy? You know he crazy. He gonna start everybody. But it's in the fun. He like competitive. What? All right, what you gonna? Boy, I do this, and he go out there, being they playing. They go over here. He compete with you. Like, bro, calm down. But you know what? That energy is infectious. Yep. But that same guy, guess what? It didn't matter. New people come up. He doing this, bro, and they said something about you. That's why I'm telling you.
Yes, sir.
What is football like? Really, what is football? Team, but it's kind of entertainment, right? I mean, at the end of the day, we on TV. It's entertainment. It's a game. We got to put on the show. Cameras, lights, action. If you can't perform like that, bro, they're gonna turn the TV off on you and go to the team that's looking like they something. Yeah. You've been on TV because we kind of one of the most hottest commodities. You know, it's intriguing. The stuff you showing on front, how you act in front of somebody is your character, right? Like I can see that. That's your character, how you act. What's really gonna tell about us as a team is what's done in the dark. Integrity.
Come on, bro.
Who are you in the dark? When nobody around, who are you?
I'm with you. Let you work. Put it down. Put that big head through there, man. I put up bouncing with my chains on. Boozy. Hey. Come on.
Boston, bro. Yeah.
Hey.
So where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bring it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's why I
dog.
gave it to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.